Yes, welcome to my tutorial course. Today I will show all of you that always support my IT tutoring course. And today we will focus on starting with the Spring Boot tutorial. Yes, Spring Boot tutorial. I will explain or start today with the basic of Spring Boot. Yes. So before we start Spring Boot, I recommend or I need a requirement from you to know about the Java programming language. Yes. And the first concept OP concept programming. Yes. Programming. And also we need to the basic of HTML, CSS, JS, jQuery, or Bootstrap, or Ajax. Yes, this is the that we need to know before we start the Spring Boot. Yes. So now we go to the Spring Boot tutorial. I recommend you decide to the website is so I think it helpful for learning or researching to the Spring Boot tutorial, or you can go to the Spring Boot and enter. You can get to the springboot.spring.io. Yes, it have a more detail that we can search or we can get from this website. This is the Spring. Spring is a framework. Yes, Spring is a framework of building from the Java programming language, and Spring Boot is a part of Spring framework. Spring Boot provides basic and advanced concept of Spring framework. Our Spring Boot designed for beginner and also for professional. Yes, the Spring Boot is like a Spring module. It means that a Spring is a whole framework that contains many Spring modules, and the module that we learn is a Spring Boot. Yes. So before starting a Spring Boot, I just want you to download the Spring Toolsuite on the IntelliJ. Yes, you can download the Spring Toolsuite. Yes, this is an IDE. A Spring Toolsuite is an IDE. Yes, Spring Toolsuite IDE you can download from the internet, or if you use Linux, download it. And for the Mac or for the Windows, for me, I explain you on Windows, so I click on this and download. But my computer have a Spring Toolsuite already, so I don't need to download it anymore. Yes, so you should just download it from Spring Toolsuite. Yes, it's an IDE. Or if you have another IDE, you can download IntelliJ download. Yes, but it's not full. You can fill your email or get a license from the IntelliJ. It is an easy tool for programmer in writing code. So you can download IntelliJ or the Spring Toolsuite. It's up to you. Yes, or you can download the Visual Studio Code in IDE also too. You can download. Yes, click on this download for your local development. Yes, okay, you can whatever you need. Okay. So before you should start download the Spring Toolsuite. The Spring Toolsuite and install. Yes. So the install is not difficult. You just download it and extract it. For me, I have download Spring Toolsuite. Yes, Spring Toolsuite. You can download and extract. It's a simple, easy for download. And one more thing that you need to install is the JDK. I recommend you JDK 8, 11, and 15. You can download any version of you want. I recommend you download version 8 or 11. That is up to you. Okay. So you can download from any website and install. But for my PC, I have installed Java already. I just try Java ++ version. Yes, my PC is a version of JDK 11. Yes, you can download 8 or 11 or 15 as you want. Okay, now let's start up a new project, and we need to open the Spring Toolsheet. Yes, for I have applied in this. Okay, start the Spring Toolsheet and then dashboard. Yes. Yes, this is the welcome of Spring Toolsheet application, the IDE for developing a Spring Boot framework. Yes, Spring Boot. So wait a moment. When we start the project the first time or at the beginning, we will wait a moment. This is my previous application development. My web application previously I have right on this. Okay, so I will create one new project to demo you from the beginner. Yes, this is application for me that I have built already. So to create a new project, Spring Boot project, we go to the file. Just click the file and you click on use. You can go to the Spring Starter project. Yes, click on Spring Starter project. And then you can choose your JDK. If I have told you already, you can install version of you want. And for my PC, I install version 11. Yes, and I use Maven, packing, WAR, language I use Java, or if you know Kotlin or Groovy, you can use, but for me it's Java. Okay, and this is the location of the default location. Okay, so name of the application, I rename to the YouTube tutorial. Yes, YouTube tutorial, and then I just click on the next. And this is frequently used. It means that I also use this when I create new project. I just take the Spring Web and the theme leaf engine, template engine. Use theme leaf. Okay, and then I just next and finish. So it waits a moment for downloading some dependencies to our local environment. Okay, this is a YouTube tutorial. This project, I close all the previous project. And started and waiting. This is waiting for downloading the dependencies to local environment. Yes. So during the download dependency, I just guide you some point that we will learn in the Spring Boot. Yes, we will know about the Spring Boot architecture, Spring Boot version, Spring Boot MVC, and also for the data JPA is have a lot of modules that we can learn step by step altogether. Yes, and for this first video, I just show you only how to install the Spring Boot on local machine by using the STS. It means Spring Boot Toolsheet. STS. Spring to shoot. Yes, STS. Or if you use IntelliJ, you can download it, or Visual Studio Code. It's all IDE for develop in Spring Boot. Okay. So if you love one of them, you can install on your PC, and you also need JDK, or we focus to version 8, 11, and the 15, whatever you want. Okay. So in this video, I just show you just a bit. Yes, and see you in the next video. Yes, and if you think I make a video easy or easy to understand or easy to practice, you can comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.